So as you can see, it's come out lovely. Do you know what? On these, use an 8mm socket. These were rusty as anything. Literally tap the socket all the way down on it and it will go on there. And look at this, there's the Wild Raw 255 all in place. Let me show you how to test the old fuel pump. Positive and negative on here. Nothing. Second time round it's been done. As you can see, the wall bro's installed. We did use connections on here at first, but do you know what? I wasn't too happy with it, so it's been soldered, heat shrinked, and literally we're good to go back in like that. Let's do it. Right, before I even took this out, marked it up. Now the wall bro's on. That's literally just put it back into position. And that mark definitely helps because there we go, we're in place. Look at that. I like to hand tighten these first, do it in sequence. Oh, I put on the non-turbo, a better fuel pump than the turbo, but otherwise, do you know what? Goodbye. Moment of truth. Fuel tank's in and it's leaking water in there. Yeah. But anyways, what this is, we're going to test it, make sure fuel pump's running, see how the engine's running, and then, do you know what? I know how to do the job now, thankfully, but let's get some fuelage in it. Less talking, more doing. Right, moment of truth. Yeah, it's all well and good me trying to start up. I didn't hear it buzzing either, but it doesn't help that I didn't connect this. Right, round two. Oh wow. She hasn't been started in how long? And she's running. Mwah, sounds like a beaut. Next test. We all know it runs now. The question is, does it drive? Yes, it does drive. Blimey, is it smoky. But considering it hasn't been driven in how many years? Feels like it drives well though.